hospitality sector, cleanliness is one of the most important factors determining the choice of a particular hotel and one of the main sources of guests' eventual dissatisfaction with their stay. Valuing and empowering the staff responsible for that part of your business will have a positive benefit for everyone. Here's how two different tourism employers in the Highlands have gone about doing just that.
Historically, cleaning for a living is a very undervalued position, but from our point of view, it's not just about cleaning the property, it's about presenting the property in the correct way. When our team members are at one of our customers' properties, they've got a lot of responsibility from cleaning the property, presenting the property correctly, reporting any maintenance problems at the property that we need to deal with. So they're really empowered with a lot of responsibility, and we don't call our team members cleaners. They are a changeover team, and the reason we do that is because their job is not just cleaning. They're empowered, they've got a lot of responsibility.
We had quite a few issues from customers which were ranging from very, very minor things to maybe a stain on the sheet that the laundry had sent back that we hadn't noticed. And to avoid the housekeeping team having to constantly refer to their housekeeping manager, what we did is that we provided a box of Prosecco for them to decide when it was necessary for them to sort of compensate a guest for something that had gone wrong. And we also recorded it, we managed it, but they were given the autonomy to decide. And in actual fact, they were very good with it, and they enjoyed the opportunity of being able to say, well, don't worry about that, I'll sort it out. So they had the autonomy to resolve the problems themselves. And that made them feel good about their jobs as well.
A recent study showed that a staggering 25.5% of 14 million reviews mention either the word clean, cleaned or cleanliness. So clearly it's massively important to guests. Could you give your cleaning staff better recognition of the importance of the role within your business? Are there creative ways you could find to empower them to solve problems without having to refer up? These are ways you can improve the sense of fulfilment for these important members of your team. Download the guide now for more practical suggestions on how you can make adopting the principles of fair work for you.